Billy, hey, what are you doing here?
Pablo, I could ask you the same question.
Whoa, so we're both surprised. That is so weird.
Okay, enough. So, what did you do this afternoon?
Well, let me see. Almorcé en un restaurante muy bueno. ¿Y tú? ¿Dónde almorzaste?
En un restaurante muy malo. You can bet I'll never go there again. Hey, is that a new backpack? It is. Hey, it's nice. How much did you pay for it?
Ooh, what a bargain. Pagué $5.
$5? No way.
Yup, it's true. Hey, you've got a new backpack too. Did you get it at the same store? ¿Cuánto pagaste?
$20.
What? $20? That's outrageous.
I know. I don't know how to bargain.
Whoa. Next time, you're coming shopping with me, Billy. I am the king of bargains.